just like that.
Oh, yeah, that felt good.
Good. Good.
Oh man.
Series of superheaters.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh.
And so this is just, you know, everyone can crack their knuckles, but just a little long axis with a rotation. It's just a nice, just kind of, don't try this at home unless you're a licensed professional.
That was really good. Yeah. Good. Perfect.
Let your shoulders relax, just kind of sink in. Good. Let's do this one here. Take a nice soft breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just sink in, let it all go. Sink in.
I felt that.
There it goes.
Good.
Oh,
You're good.
that's a lot.
That was a lot.
Oh, that felt lovely.
Exhale out. Good. Good.
Oh,
All
that
right.
felt better.
One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. There we go.
Good. Nice and easy here. Good. Let this left shoulder drop for me. Good. Nice and relaxed here.
I think there's another layer. And okay, take a deep breath in and out. Good. How'd that feel?
Great.
Good. All right, we're gonna drop down T3 on the right. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Perfect. You already feel yourself moving?
And out. Get that loose. Good. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Gentle. There it is, right there.
Good. Okay, we're gonna drop down a little bit.
One more time, deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that was nice. Oh my.
What's that shoulder drop from me? Here we go. Same thing here. Perfect.
It feels so weirdly good.
Sinking in.
I'm ready.
Got it. It's already going. Did you hear pop?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. There it goes. You hear pop?
Oh.
That was it, right?
Ooh, yes.
That was the biggie.
Wow. Oh, wow. Oh.
Wow.
Just relax as much as possible. There you go. Good. Oh, that was good. Relax right here.
That was a good bit.
Oh yeah. Drop down just a little bit on the right. Good. Good.
Oh!
Relax your shoulders more.
Oh! There you go. Good. Lift your head.
Oh, good.
And out. Perfect.
Again. Good. One more time. Whoa. Yeah, that was good.
Mm-hmm.